In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your GoDaddy customer number and username. By the end, you'll know exactly where these details live in your account and how to access them quickly whenever support or account changes require them. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy. You'll see the official GoDaddy website appear at the top of the results. Click through to open it and proceed to sign in to your account. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. If not, enter your login details and complete any verification prompts. Keep those credentials private and only sign in on trusted devices. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page. You should see your account name or a profile icon. Click that to open the account menu. This is the quick access area for your profile, account settings, and security details. In that menu, choose the option labeled View. Depending on the current layout, it may say something like View Account, or simply View next to your profile details. Clicking this takes you to your account settings and security page, which is where your key login information is stored. On the security page, locate the section that lists your basic account details. Here, you'll see your customer ID. This is usually a numeric identifier assigned to your account. It's the number support teams often ask for when verifying ownership or assisting with changes. Make a note of it or copy it to a secure place if you need to share it with support later. Avoid posting or storing it publicly, as it's tied directly to your account. Right near the customer ID, you'll also find your username. This is the name you use to sign in to GoDaddy, distinct from your email address in many cases. Confirm that this is the username you expect to use going forward. If you maintain multiple accounts, this is a good moment to double-check that you're viewing the correct profile. That's all there is to it. Open Google and go to GoDaddy, sign in, click your profile at the top right, select View, and then read your customer ID and username from the security or account details section. Keep both pieces of information safe, and consider saving them in a secure password manager for easy, private access later. If something looks different in your interface, the wording may vary slightly, but the path is the same. Profile menu, View, and then your account details.